This is Fred Ketterer. This is my third video. I am a backyard gardener, better known as an urban farmer. Today I want to concentrate on my 5-gallon pails, which is called portable gardening, portable container gardening, because I can move them anywhere I want to. I have them all moved out here just for this particular video. So I want to evaluate them and tell you the little problems that I have ran into. First, I have bell peppers. These are self-watering containers. What I do is I take a 5-gallon pail, find some plastic or wood or whatever, put straws in the bottom about 5 inches, put this plate down in there, use the drain hose, and I run a piece of cloth to wick the water up to the bottom of the plant. So far everything is doing good, doing well. You would have to water these. I have been watering these about every 2 days. We have some very hot weather now, and I found out that I have to check this water every day, and then occasionally I have to water from the top. I also tried fertilizing them from the bottom. Use the bottom. You just want to fill it with water. 7/8 hole, and it wicks up to the bottom of the plant. I have some of my homemade compost, plus I was given some special compost, and I mix them together. So I have these bell peppers. According to my research, you can grow 2 peppers in a 5-gallon pail. I forgot to ask what types, so I tried bell peppers. I have had bell peppers before, and they did real well. Right now I'm in the process of tying them up, staking them up. Hopefully I don't kill them, because these stakes wasn't in there. I just put the stakes in there. These things drink a lot of water. You have to water them about every day, every 2 days. Sometimes water them from the top. So I have red, yellow, and green bell peppers. I think I have about 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. In the back here I have cherry tomatoes. Same idea, self-watering containers, and they seem to be doing pretty well, pretty good. When they begin to dry a little bit, I learned something from them. They'll wilt, and when they wilt, they can have water in the reservoir in the top, in the bottom, but you need to do some top watering. Also, the roots have gone through the little holes. The roots have some kind of way found themselves down through the holes into the reservoir, so you have to make sure that the reservoir is full and you have a little water on the top. If the reservoir is dry, then you get the same effect. I think I have about 10 eggplants. I think 4 eggplants I planted from transplants that was given to me. The other 6 I bought a variety pack, which had 4 different kinds of eggplants. One is white, one is stripy, and I don't know what the other one is. I planted them and don't know the color. Hopefully I got all 4 of them. Here you see the beetle, the potato beetle. I have a little can of gas, and I put it beneath them, and from the fumes, the beetles will fall in. Yeah. These things are the same way. When you see them wilting a little bit, just water them. I have to check these now about every day. And probably a little less now. Rain is flying overhead. So about every day and a half, you have to water these plants. I have pulled some of the suckers out of them, but not all. Maybe next year I try taking more suckers out of them. So I have the cherry tomatoes, the large cherry tomatoes. I have 10 buckets of eggplants. Here I have a yellow cherry tomato, and usually when I'm out here working, as soon as they begin to get ripe, I eat a few. So all the red ones are gone. By the end of the day, I go in the house with a sore mouth from eating raw vegetables. I never thought I'd go out and buy any 5-gallon buckets, and once you start trying something, just keep on with it. So I never seen a lettuce head before, so I wanted to try heading some lettuces. It says hard to grow, start from a seed and do your own transplanting. So I bought some transplants and I have tried some myself, and I think they'll be successful. So this is iceberg lettuce. It's heading very nice. I started them out in the shade, put them back over there in the shade, and they turned greener. In the sun, they brightens up a little bit. So I have, right here you see, 2, 4, 6. I probably have 10. My last video you seen the kale and how nice the kale was doing. And I said that if the new kale was as good as it was, this is Russian kale, that I would have had 10 plants. But something happened. I should have harvested these right around July the 5th. If you can see these on my other video, how beautiful they was, and they was very tender. Some bugs got to them and some ropes got to them. Perhaps they dried out, they drank water, dried out, because you can see the little suckers is coming out of them. So that the suckers is because of a water problem or it's too much nitrogen. But I think I should have harvested these right around July the 1st, and then put something else in the buckets. So next year, I think I'll do this again, and I will just harvest them early, and perhaps leave one out and see what can I do with it. Over here I have some cabbages. I think I read that you can't grow cabbage. It's not a good idea to try cabbage in a 5-gallon pail. 14 inches diameter, you can't get enough soil in it, but they seem to be doing well. I have more. I had one, and I made one mistake and over-fertilized one. I forgot that I had fertilized in one of my water containers, and thinking it was water, so I killed it, half killed it. These, not all of these are self-watering. These are top bunch collards. Probably about a month old. And at the bottom of these I have rocks. I have gravel at the bottom of these, and I have a piece of landscape fiber separating the rocks from the soil. I have holes around the side, so it can contain a little moisture in the bottom in the rocks. And if it's rain to drain them, it'll drain out of the side about 2 inches up. They seem to be doing good. That's something new I tried. This is the same thing with this collard here. I have collards strewn all over the place. I only have a few in the 5-gallon containers. This collard is doing well, weller than I expected it. Perhaps I'll break some of the bottom leaves and cook them. So this is about, I can show you right now You're going through about 40, over 40 buckets, 5-gallon pails. Now I have more back here. I have the purple cherry tomatoes that I grew from seed. Also another yellow tomato I grew from seed. All cherry tomatoes. I'm not getting too far in my garden today. I just want to talk about these self-watering containers because I have some friends who is interested in gardening and they have trees in the yard and they would like to grow a garden, have something in the yard. So they'll be able to move these containers around, find some shade, find some sun, grow vegetables that